We recently bought a WeBoost Drive Reach, and today I installed it to give it a test. This wasn't a firm install, and you see Maddie here. She was outside when I was doing the installation. Like I said, it's not a hard install. It was just a loose install to kind of test it out. So I'll show you what our speeds were before, and then I'll show you what our speeds were after, and you can see for yourself the difference that it made. All right, so here we go with the initial speed test. This is a screen capture straight off my iPhone, and you see that it's going to run through the initial part of the speed test, checking the download speeds, and it's really low. We start to tick up above almost 3.5, and then as you'll see here, upload speeds are basically non-existent. For the majority of the upload portion of the test, it wasn't even registering, and for the back half we barely got any at all as well. So virtually no upload speeds, poor download speeds, and this is off of my phone. We are in an area where there is Verizon, but clearly it's not great. Buddy. Hi. You're right. It's not chained up anymore. Did you say where is it? So here we go with the second speed test. This is after I have connected the WeBoost, and this is running, again, a screen cap straight off my iPhone, but this time I have stood in the area near the WeBoost, what would be the indoor antenna, so that I can pick up the boosted signal, and you can see that the download is well above 5 now. And that's what, like a 62% improvement, somewhere there around. And you can tell that the fact that we're getting upload speed at all is a marked improvement. And look at that, it's up almost to 1.5, from virtually none to 1.5. So the final analysis is clearly the WeBoost Drive Reach was a marked improvement over where we are with our cell signal, at least here at the campground that we're currently staying at. But it gives you a clear indication of how much having a cell phone booster can help you. We opted for the Drive Reach in a specific package. So it comes with an outdoor antenna and an indoor antenna, and it's made to go into vehicles, so it plugs into a cigarette lighter. But we want it for the RV, so I ordered separately an AC adapter so that we could power it inside the RV. And I also ordered an OTR antenna. Now that's kind of shaped like a cylinder, and it's on a kind of long skinny stick when you mount it. So that gives you an omnidirectional ability to pull signal from the nearest cell phone tower in any direction. And that, I think, will go a long way in our ability to boost our cell phone signal and thereby improve our internet capabilities when we're inside the RV.